Error checking tests. An error checking test is a timed psychometric test that assesses a candidate's ability to identify errors in data sets and evaluate the correctness of the information. Principle of the test. The typical questions that arise during these assessments require an effective comparison of correct information alongside an adapted version of the original text. In simple words, the original and copied versions will appear to be very similar. However, in the altered text, some items have been transposed or swapped with other parts of the transcript. So, the aim is to identify the statements that have been written correctly, those have been altered, and the nature of the alteration itself. This was all. Thanks for watching.